Children, now today I am going to tell you about passive voice for simple future tense. Simple future tense. In this tense we use will be and shall be if subject is I and we use shall be. If subjects are there, he, she, they, you, we use will be according to tense. She will write a letter. Now in this sentence, active voice, this is active voice, she is active subject and letter also active subject. When we change into passive, subject become object and object become subject. This is subject, this is verb and this is object. Subject become object, object become subject. So a letter will come first, which is our object, it become subject. A letter, then we use will be in simple future tense. Will be, then write third form, written by she का object her. A letter will be written by her. Active voice, she will write a letter. Second example, we shall play a cricket match. Here we subject, a cricket match is object and play is verb. So change a cricket match, our new subject, will be, we use will be because it is simple present tense. Will be played, third form play, by we object us. A cricket match will be played by us. Next, I shall read a book. In this sentence, our subject is I, object is a book, verb is read. Read. I shall read a book. Object become subject, subject become object. A book, here a book, then will be. In this sentence, active voice, I kiss, with I we use shall, but a book will take will. A book will be read, third form of read by I object me. I shall read a book, passive voice becomes a book will be read by me. Next, they will sing a song. They will sing songs. Here, songs first come. It become new subject, and they them. Songs will be sung by them. They will sing songs. Its passive voice become songs will be sung by them. Next, boys will write letters. Now change into passive. Letters will be, write third form, written, then by a boys, boys remain no change. Boys becomes boys because it is noun, therefore noun no change. Okay, thank you. Now you subscribe this, like this and share it and see full video. It is very useful for your exam. Thank you.